Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. In today's video we are showing you stylish and modern hijab dresses ideas. There are many stylish ways to incorporate a hijab into dress or outfit, like maxi dresses. These are long flowing dresses that can be paired with hijab for a modest and elegant look. Also, there are long, loose-fitting dresses, tunic dresses. These are shorter, more fitted dresses that can be worn with leggings or pants and a hijab for a modern and stylish look. There are many tops and dresses on the market that are designed to be worn with a hijab, with features such as higher necklines and longer sleeves. It's important to choose a hijab and dress combination that is comfortable and meets your personal style, preference, and modesty standard. Hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel